where I believe where mandatory masks are going to cause harm and injury is what I want to get to. So blood oxygenation, Rowan. So normally in our blood oxygenation would be 5 to 99%. Now, when that goes down to 90%, which it will do with a mask, you have to be oxygenated. When that goes below 80%, you have impaired mental functions. When that goes to 75%, you can actually go unconscious. So this is very, very important. And basically what you've spoke of it before, I'm well aware, it's hypoxia. We are talking about hypoxia. So it's low oxygen and it's a breeding ground for cancer. Now, I'm a third-time cancer patient and don't believe there is a person in this country that doesn't know someone in their life, be it their neighbour or their community, that has had cancer. And basically, like, we are actually the second highest rate of cancer in Europe. We're the third highest rate of cancer in the world. In 2019, 43,161 new cases of cancer in Ireland. I'll repeat that, 43,361. I've given you all the links, all the evidence is there of this. So basically, on an annual average, we're actually just under 9,000 people dying in Ireland yearly. And that was when it was low. That was 2014. We had that many people dying. Now, we are well aware, and as a third-time cancer diagnosed warrior, we are well aware through my 10 years of study on this, that tumour cells actually thrive. They thrive on lack of oxygen. And low oxygen conditions have advantage when it comes to invading and surviving in the bloodstream. So cells from primary cancers, for instance, have 4 times greater probability of becoming tumour cells. And findings show that post-hypoxic cells have 6 times the probability of forming lung cancer. So oxygen enhances the capabilities of tumours. And, you know, in a country that has such a high rate of cancer, I am shocked that this hasn't been put out there. It hasn't been discussed. And the cancer patients and all people with disabilities get to speak about this and not have to wear a mask at any time. So basically, its CO2 converts into acid in the bloodstream, and this disturbs the body's pH levels. And basically, disease cannot survive in an alkaline state. However, in a low oxygen, low pH, acidic state, viruses, bacteria, yeast, mold, fungi, and cancer cells thrive. Now, I would like to let you know that I've got all this information from, guess where, Owen? The John Hopkins Centre. The John Hopkins Centre. This is where this information has come from. This is the same centre that Bill Gates funds and actually held the event 201 in the John Hopkins Centre. So if anyone out there wants to come back and tell me that I have false information that's coming from the same event 201, John Hopkins Centre, because this is where I have got all my research from on cancer, actually. So basically, it's unbelievable that think that they can just force us all into mask wearing in a country so high of cancer, which we know lack of oxygen can cause more cancer.